China's J-20 stealth fighter jet carried out sophisticated tests that leveraged drone swarms for reconnaissance and overwhelmed targets with multi-vector attacks. The new massive dry dock of Mazagan Dock shipbuilders will enable simultaneous construction of 8 Project 80 next-generation stealth destroyers of 13,000-ton class. The Indian Navy has significantly enhanced the combat capabilities of its MiG-29K fighter jets by integrating the 250 km range Israeli Rampage missile. Hindustan Aeronautics has conducted the first flight of the second Tejas MK1A, and the first 2 MK1A aircraft will be handed over to the Indian Air Force by March 2025. Officials have said that INS Surat stealth destroyer is India's first artificial intelligence-enabled warship. The Ministry of Defence will reveal the selected foreign partner for the development of a new 110 kN 6th generation jet engine at the Aero India 2025. According to latest information, the much-anticipated rollout of the Tejas MK2 is slated to take place by the end of November 2025, and both Hindustan Aeronautics and the Aeronautical Development Agency are confident about achieving this milestone before the year concludes. HAL has planned low-speed and high-speed taxi trials from December 2025 to March 2026. Ensuring they meet all performance parameters before the maiden flight in March 2026. The Indian Air Force had limited access to the Su-57 in the past, with Russia previously citing national laws as the reason for restricted engagement with the aircraft. However, during Aero India 2025, top Air Force officials will get an up-close and personal look at the Su-57 prototype, but it might not be available for flight reviews by Indian pilots during the show. If the initial inspection by Air Force officials proves favorable, then Russia will bring an actual production variant of the Su-57 to India for in-flight testing later. Newspace Research and Technologies has officially announced the unveiling of its Abhimanyu Collaborative Combat Aircraft program on 10th February 2025, coinciding with the opening day of Aero India 2025. It is a low-cost expendable asset in the realm of manned-unmanned teaming that can adapt for various roles including intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, as well as decoys, kinetic attacks and electronic warfare missions. INS Surat stealth destroyer is India's first artificial intelligence-enabled warship that is designed to mimic human cognitive capabilities, like processing real-time imagery and data from sensors to detect and classify objects, speech recognition that allows natural interaction between crew members and the ship's systems for quick responses, and rapid decision-making that facilitates split-second decisions in high-pressure scenarios. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.